Even if you leave the worldly life and go away into seclusion, what are you going to gain? There is no need for you to do that. Just change your attitude or state of mind. If you truly want to study, I dare say that it can be done anywhere. There is an easy way. It is really immaterial where you are. Whether in a house or in a forest, you can be leading a spiritual life. You need not run away. If you say that you cannot do spiritual practice while you are living in a family, take it for granted that you are not really interested in true spiritual practice. He who really wants to be spiritual will unfailingly do so, wherever he may be.